starting this video with presenting my endless respect to Mahsa Amini, the world-known victim from my country, Iran. We're passing really hard days in the country because of the internet limitation mostly that has influenced the jobs of thousands of people, as well as me. But we're still fighting for a better future, and hope we'll reach it soon. Thanks already for your support and inspirations. In this video, I'm going to explain about one of the things that most of my students are really confused about. Les prépositions, or the prepositions in French. One of the things that I think you also have challenges with. So I think after watching this video, you will have no obstacles using them. So stay with me. La préposition un, sometimes used with cities. For example, à Paris, à Berlin. Other times used with time. For example, à 8 heures means at 8 o'clock. And sometimes with countries which are masculine, but with other articles, the articles of lo and la. For example, au Pérou means in Peru, and sometimes meaning with. For example, when I say à vélo means by bike, with my bike. La préposition après, meaning after. Après 2 heures, after 2 hours. And the opposite is avant. Avant means before. Avant le cours. Avant le cours means before the match. And another one is avec. Avec means with. Avec toi, with you. Avec elle, with her. La préposition chez. Chez means at someone's place. For example, chez moi means at my place. Chez Christophe means at Christophe's place. Chez vous, at your place. Another one is contre. Contre, which originally means against. But when you say contre la voiture means leaning on the car. Contre le mur means leaning on the wall. La préposition dans. It can be used for both time and place. Therefore, I can say dans une heure means in 1 hour, or I can say dans le monde means in the world. Dans means in time and place. But what about de? De originally means from, and it exactly works like dans for time and place. So I can say je viens de Téhéran, meaning I come from Tehran, place. And also I can say de 8 heures à 12 heures, meaning from 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock. What about this? Depuis, meaning since. Depuis 1990 means since 1990. Depuis, meaning since. What about derrière? Derrière, relating to a place and meaning behind. Derrière la maison, meaning behind the house. The practical preposition of en. En can be used with months of the year. Par exemple, en février, meaning in February. It can also be used with years, en 2020, in 2020. As well, it can be used with seasons, except the spring. So when I say en hiver means in winter. Another practice of en is with feminine countries, female countries like France. So I say en France, meaning in France. And also, if you want to talk about materials, you can use en. En coton means made out of cotton. En face, as it seems, meaning facing something. In front of, en face de chez moi, in front of my place. But what if you want to say something is between two other things? You can use entre. Entre meaning between. Entre les arbres, between the trees. La préposition par. Par means throughout. When I say par la fenêtre, means throughout the window. Par. What about pour? Pour means for. Un cadeau pour ma mère. A gift for my mother. Pour. Here is pendant. Pendant means during. Pendant les vacances. During the vacation. There is also près. Près means near, and opposite to loin, which means far. Près de la gare means near the station. Loin de la gare, far away from the station. Sans toi. Sans toi means without you. Sans means without. Sur la table, on the table. Sur means on. But what about sous la table? Sous means under. Sous la table means under the table. And the last preposition I'm going to tell you about is vers, meaning toward. Vers le nord, toward the north. Here is the end of the video. But this time, I'm here to receive not only your educational comments, but mostly comments about my country, Iran. I'm glad that the world is hearing us now, and I hope we'll reach the aim. Thanks for your support.